All right, y'all. I can explain. Don't judge me. Don't judge me yet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a U-part install. This is my first U-part wig. Like, I've never worn a U-part wig, but what I know about it, it's literally like, it is a wig and it has a U-part for like your leave out. So think of like a sew-in, you know? So I already prepped myself. I did the braids in the back. I didn't really know the format for it. I looked up how to do it. And basically, like I said, it's like a sew-in. You like take a U part out of your hair. Let me show y'all what I did. I took a U part out of my hair like this. Excuse the dandruff. Took a U part out of my hair, and then I also took like pieces of my edges out so it can look more realistic. I braided everything back. I had to clip them because my ends are cut and they would not stay. Okay guys, so today I am working with Nia Wigs. I did not open my package up yet, so let's see what comes in here. It's cute. So the first thing I see in here is a brush. I love these kind of brushes. They're so cute. Let me show y'all. I had a green one just like this, and I'm like so happy to receive a new one. And it's pink, my favorite color. Or do y'all think this is purple? What y'all consider this, pink or purple? So it comes with a brush, some pins, and here's our wig. Let's see. Alright, so I got an 18-inch U-part wig, and I got it in a small because I got a little peanut head, and this is natural black. Okay, so it has the net over it, like always. Stuffing out the net. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. This is so soft. Ooh. This is how it looks. Super bouncy. Really soft. This is nice. And as you can see, it comes with clips around the U part area, so you can adjust it. Properly. Okay, so I got my scissors. I'm just gonna cut where the elastic band is. These two right here. So now you should have something like this. It opens wide out, your clips. So for the part that I left out, which are like the edges and here, I like twisted them so the wig doesn't get like tangled in it. I can properly place it. So I guess you wanna like pop them like that. Like if you ever wore clip-ins, you would know, like you just pop them open, all of them. And then you start from here and just go all around. So I'm gonna clip this first one right here. Okay, so that one's clipped. Clip this one. Okay, clip this, and then we're gonna clip this last piece. Okay, now make sure y'all have your flat iron ready. If you're more of a, you know, you don't like the frontals and the closures, the glue, this is definitely perfect for you because you're not touching your edges, you're not touching, you know what I'm saying? You're not touching the front part of your hair. This is definitely perfect for people that's like that. So what I want to do is I'm gonna start with my edges first. I'm gonna start with my edges. I had to twist these joints. See, I didn't even take out a lot because I know they're gonna give me problems when I wear it out. So I'm gonna just go right in. Okay, that's straight enough for me. So now we're gonna do the big part. I just split it in half and then do the same thing, just we're gonna straighten it. Y'all, look at this. Wait, oh my god, it's tilting. I think I just found a new obsession. This is my real hair. Like, oh my god, I gotta finish. Hold on, I gotta finish. I have to finish. So I have my bio silk. You only need a little bit. And just go over your hair. This is so crazy. Yo, I'm sorry, I'm so shocked right now. This is my first U-part wig. And then like the quality in this hair, it's so soft. Okay, so this was super simple and easy. Y'all, this look like my hair. Like this looks like my hair. Like, oh my god, that literally took less than 15 minutes. I'm loving this. Like, it looks like I got a whole leave out, like a whole fresh sewing, and this was under 15 minutes. Y'all, drop your sewings. This is the new thing. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now make sure y'all purchase this hair, because oh my god, like I'm not even joking, y'all. This is so soft, and y'all just saw how easily I blended everything in, and it took no more than 20 minutes to do. If y'all like that voluminous look, make sure you get a body wave. This is a body wave. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope this made y'all want to purchase a U-part wig, especially from Nia Wigs, because this is bomb.com. And y'all saw it. It's so easy. Even if y'all never wore a U-part like me, I've never worn one, y'all just saw how easy it is. And look, if you got somewhere quick to go, this is so perfect. Like, and then for the girls that don't like wigs, the glue is quick, it's easy. You don't have to wait to dry your glue. This is literally it, y'all. And then if you don't want to be like me, you can also lay down your baby hairs, but I'm really loving how this looks right here, and I'm about to leave out. You guys, make sure y'all subscribe. I also have everything in the description box. If you want to get something exactly like this, I have the exact link for you and everything. I'm still in shock. I'm sorry, y'all. This is a whole U-part. I've never worn a U-part. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you gonna be purchasing a U-part wig. Make sure you purchase from Nia Wigs, okay? If you want a voluptuous look like this. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.